Hey beautiful souls, in today's video, we're diving deep into the essence of true beauty. It's not about concealing or changing what you see in the mirror with layers of makeup or harsh chemicals. No, it's about embracing your natural self and glowing from within. And how do we achieve this? Join me on a journey to discover the transformative power of organic skincare. The misconception of beauty: many of us have been led to believe that beauty is about hiding what we perceive as flaws, be it spots, wrinkles, or anything else our unique selves carry. We reach for products filled with terms more familiar in a sci-fi movie than in skincare, hoping for a miracle. The problem with conventional skins: hear us deal those expensive, modern products. They might promise quick fixes, but in reality, they're likely doing more harm to your skin. Harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances. These ingredients can irritate and damage your skin, leading to the very issues you're trying to escape. Organic skincare, the truthful solution. Imagine using products that your skin loves, ingredients that nourish, heal, and rejuvenate. That's the magic of going organic. Organic skincare means embracing ingredients straight from nature, minimally processed to retain their natural goodness, highlighting the guide organic beauty. And if you've ever wondered how to transition to an organic beauty routine, there's a guide for you: Organic Beauty. It's a treasure trove of knowledge, teaching you how to spot harmful ingredients, create an organic skincare regime, and make your toothpaste, hair products, and even makeup. It's about returning to the basics and finding beauty in the simplicity of nature. The benefits of organic skincare: transitioning to organic products isn't just kind to your skin. It's a loving gesture toward our planet. They're often more affordable, fun to create, and provide unique personal touches that commercial products can't. Plus, the health benefits extend beyond glowing skin, improving overall well-being. Ready to embark on this transformative journey? Embrace your natural beauty, reset your skin's balance, and discover a glow that comes from within. It's time to let your true beauty shine through naturally. Thank you for joining me today. If you're inspired to make a change and are curious about organic beauty, check out the link in the description. Remember, your most beautiful self is the one that shines naturally. Until next time, stay glowing.